You're gonna love the 2019 Dodge Challenger. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. The Challenger thrills with raw power and intimidates with a sinister stance, while its fine craftsmanship, comfort, safety, and efficiency make it a desirable choice for enthusiasts. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the chance to have the powerful ride you really want. Get into the Challenger and drive.